Hello friends, welcome to Nirogi Kaya. As you know, that a series of 8 pranayams to increase oxygen level in our body, to strengthen our lungs and abdominal muscles is continuing. Today I will tell you about Bahya Pranayam. Bahya means external. Bahya Pranayam is retention of breath outside during the process. As it seems to be very easy, but it's not so easy. Because to perform Bahya Pranayam, we have to learn 3 bandhs which are to be executed during the process. First is Mool Bandh, second is Uddayan Bandh, and third is Jalandhar Bandh. Mool Bandh means root lock. Mool Bandh is executed by drawing the muscles of pelvic region upwards. Uddayan Bandh is contraction inside and lifting of abdominal muscles. This is called Uddayan Bandh. And Jalandhar Bandh is touching the chest by our chin, bending the neck. By Bahya Pranayam, mainly 4 chakras of our body get activated. One is Mooladhara chakra, that is located between anus and genital. Second, Swadhisthana chakra, which is supposed to be about 4 inch above Mooladhara chakra. Third chakra is Manipur chakra, that is situated in the spinal cord behind the navi. Another chakra which is locked by Jalandhar Bandh is Vishuddhi chakra. Mooladhara chakra controls reproductive system. Swadhisthana chakra controls excretory system. Manipur chakra controls digestive system, and Vishuddhi chakra controls thyroid. Now let us begin Bahya Pranayam.
Sit comfortably on Sukhasana. Initially start the exercise slowly. As you inhale, begin to contract and lift the muscles of pelvic floor. Hold this position to perform Mool Bandh. Now start exhaling the breath, contracting and lifting lower belly region. Hold the uplifted position of muscles of pelvic region and lower belly to perform Uddayan Bandh. Now stretch your neck upwards and bend it forward to touch your chest with your chin. Now hold the position for 3 to 5 seconds or as much as you can. Lift the head upward, inhale and relax the muscles of abdominal and pelvic region.
By performing Bahya Pranayam, diseases related to reproductive system, excretory system, digestive system and thyroid may be cured well. On the other hand, this pranayam strengthens the lungs and abdominal muscles, including diaphragm. Keeping in view the corona pandemic, I request you all to wear mask. Urgent work. Thank you very much.